Hello student, welcome to video lecture series in Engineering Mathematics 2. Our today's topic is sphere. So sphere is what? A sphere is a set of points which are connected with one common point at equal distances. Sphere is what? Set of points which are connected with common point at a equal distance, or locus of points which are equal distance from one point. So common point is called center. Common point is called as the center of the sphere, and constant distance is called radius of the sphere. Constant distance is called radius of the sphere. So what is center radius form of the sphere? So center radius form of the sphere is what? X minus a bracket square plus y minus b bracket square plus z minus c bracket square equal to r square. So this is the center radius form of the sphere, having center at a, b and c and radius equal to r. So center at point, center C at point A, B and C, and radius is equal to r. Similarly, the standard form of the sphere. Standard form of the sphere is what? Now, if the center of the sphere at origin, then this equation becomes x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So this is the standard form of the sphere, having center C at point origin and radius equal to r. The third form is the general equation of the sphere. So general equation of sphere is what? What is general equation part? If we simplify this equation 1, then we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times ux 2 times vy plus 2 times wz plus d equal to 0. This is the general equation of the sphere, having center C is equal to minus u minus v minus w, and radius r is equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Radius r is equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So in this topic we have discussed the center radius form of the sphere, standard form of the sphere having center at origin and radius r, and general equation of the sphere. If we simplify this equation, if we apply a plus b bracket square here, so it is x square minus 2 times xa plus a square y square minus 2 times yb plus b square. Similarly, z is minus c bracket square and equal, and simplify and put in this form. So this is just general equation of the sphere, having center at minus u minus v and minus w, and radius equal to under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. If the general equation of sphere is given, from that we can calculate center and radius, as well as center radius is given, we can write the equation of sphere in center radius form. Or if the center and radius is given, we can write the general equation of the sphere also. So here, so in this topic we have discussed equation of sphere, what is the sphere, what is the center of the sphere, radius of the sphere, different form of the sphere. One more form is that diameter form of the sphere. What is the diameter form of the sphere is what? So diameter form of the sphere. So diameter form of the sphere is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 plus z minus z1, z minus z2 is equal to 0. So if the sphere having center at C and this is the diameter passing through the center and the end point of the diameters are A and B. So having points are x2, y2 and z2, and here is points x1, y1 and z1. Suppose P is any point on the sphere x, y and z, then the equation of sphere is x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus z minus z1 into z minus z2. So with the help of this diameter form, we can also write equation of the sphere. Thank you very much.